Okay, let me try again. Okay, due to my first do live streaming, actually I found that this software do not cover the whole screen of IntelliJ. So currently it will be better. So let me re-explain the question. So it takes some time for you to understand the question. So the question is Facebook Hacker Rank 2021. The first question. It is an easy question as compared to other question. So the question is there are many model or person, we can say there are many person. Okay, every person will wear some clothes, so it will use a number to indicate a clothes. Okay, there are some initial stage, round 1, round 2, and then there are several number of round. Okay, so for example, let's look at this example input. So initial stage, round 1, round 2. So we can see, so this is the first example. The first example have 3 stage, 1 person. So initial stage, this person will close 1. Round 1, round 2, round 3. So this is a requirement. For each round, you need to see what, the close number this person need to wear. And the question is, output the minimum changes required to follow the requirement. Okay, one tricky thing is every person have opportunity to wear a clothes underneath the clothes which can be seen from outside. This underneath clothes will make the changes reduced. Okay, every person have 1 underneath clothes can wear to reduce the number of changes required to follow the requirement. So my strategy to solve this problem is, so for example, to simplify the problem, if for example every person cannot wear underneath clothes, in this case it is very easy to solve this problem, because to calculate the minimum changes needed to transform one stage to another stage, we just do a calculation about the occurrence of each clothes in between. So for example, previous stage, current stage, we get the occurrence of clothes for each stage and get the similarity of occurrence. The difference is what is needed change to make it happen. Okay, so the difficult question is one person have opportunity to wear 1 underneath clothes. Okay, so it needs some good bookkeeping. To remember which person have opportunity to have underneath clothes used. Okay, because in the process, each person, okay, some person will utilize this underneath clothes in different stage. Okay, different person will utilize this opportunity in different stage. So I use this hash map to bookkeeping which person still have the opportunity to use underneath clothes, which person have this opportunity used up. Okay, so as you can see, so there are some input need to be read. Okay, and then I read each round of requirement, and then I use this map to bookkeeping, which actor still have underneath clothes which can be utilized. Okay, actually bookkeeping only can use the original clothes actor wear to bookkeeping. Okay, and then each round there is a previous round and a current round, and calculate the difference needed to make it work, and then add all the changes required. Okay, and then as you can see, this is the previous stage, this is current stage. I get the occurrence of clothes for the previous stage and the current stage, and then calculate the occurrence of each suit, and then because in the current change you need to move this target stage. Okay, for the target stage I iterate every close. So for this close you need to see this number of times. Okay, some close can be inherited or reused from the previous stage. So if this close already seen in the previous stage, previous stage have this number of occurrence. If the occurrence of this close in the previous stage is more than or equal to this times, then this kind of close happening can directly inherited from previous stage. But if the previous happening is smaller than the current required number, this change is required to make this additional occurrence happening. Okay, so actors without change means I inherited a close from the previous stage without any change. So I inherited this number of occurrence of this close from the previous stage. If this number of occurrence is bigger or equal to the required time, it can inherit the required times of this close from the previous stage. If this close do not occur in the previous stage, then I need changes required to make this number of occurrence of this close happen. This change requires map indicate changes are required to make this number of changes. Some actor is inherited from the previous stage without any change, and then the actor left will be the actor, except the actor who are inherited from the previous stage. The actor left will be the actor who need to change clothes to satisfy the requirement of changes required. This is actor left, can be calculated very easily, except the character without any change. So this actor's left need to make changes to follow the requirement of changes required. So I iterate every actor left if the current actor. Actually all these actor left need to change clothes to satisfy the requirement of changes required. I need to check whether this counter actor have opportunity to use underneath clothes. If it have opportunity, I will bookkeeping to reduce the number of opportunity for the persons who wear this clothes in the initial stage. If I can utilize this opportunity, I will not increase the number of changes. If the current actor do not have an opportunity now, then in that case this actor need to change clothes. That means the number of changes will increment by 1 in this stage, and finally I solve this problem. The time complexity of this algorithm is a big O round number multiply actor number, because every round I will do big O actor number of work. So this is time complexity. So I actually solve this problem. Let me run the input and get the answer. Okay, so actually it actually solved this problem easily. Okay, so this I actually submit this code, so it passed the this solution passed. Okay, thanks a lot. This is my first time of video screaming for algorithm problem solving. I will solve more questions in the future video. Have a good day. Bye bye.